When checking or reading drawings, we can add revision cloud polylines to mark areas that are modified. Now let's take a look at how to use the revision cloud command. Let's click revision cloud in the ribbon tag panel, select arc length option, and specify the minimum length of arcs. And then pick a start point on the drawing, move the cursor to draw the cloud line, and close the cloud line by moving the cursor back to start point. Execute revision cloud command again by inputting revcloud shortcut and press enter. Select style option and choose calligraphy option. Then pick a start point on the drawing, move the cursor to draw the cloud line. As you see, it displays different from the normal style. And let's draw a circle here. Then execute revision cloud command. Set minimum arc length value as 50, change back to normal style, and select object option. Select the circle, and we can select yes to reverse the direction of arcs.